How to blur a video online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing app, create a new project. Now simply click on the video, then you will see the option of effect in the bottom. Simply click on it and click on video effect. Now, in the search box, simply type blurry focus. Once you do, you will see a lot of options to create blur video. Simply click on the one which says blur close. Tap on it and as you can see, your video has been blurred now. So that's it. That is how easily you can create a blur video online. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.